Hi there, my name's Diddy C. I'm a big collector of Skylanders. My favourite thing. I'd like to show you my collection. It's quite an extensive collection, some limited editions as well. Let's start. Swords Are Us, Pump and Mash, I've Had Enough, In the Bin. Who's this one here? Welly Buggies. Oh yeah, limited edition them in a big pack. Hydraulic Baboon, one of my favourites. There's one of my favourites. Explorer, I Want a More. Wings and Wally. There's one of the big ones, one of the new ones for 2012. Dino Torch. Special move on it as well. Fantastic. Right, who else have we got here? Reno Dang. Fantastic in the package as well, as they come. There's TikToks. And there's another limited edition here. Limited edition Clay Pump and Mash. Fantastic. And there's another big one. Fright and Where's My Light. Brilliant man. There's Money. There's Rex. There's In a Mood. There's Forget Me Not. And there's Boat. Another great one. There's Bill's Blunt. There's I Don't Know. And there's I'm a Taxi. What a fantastic collection. Well, hope you enjoyed them. Thank you.